Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I am here today back with my January 2019 Project Life Share, and yeah, let's get to it. Let's see, I am going to continue using the Studio Cameo Store cuts for the month, Project Life cuts, and I just went ahead and added some turquoise snowflake stickers for January. This ampersand is from Elite Studio, and I believe these are from Freckled Fawn, these chipboard pieces. They say right now in True Story. And so going in every year, I sit the four of us down and we take a family photo with my tripod. So that's what I did. I put it on a Project Life card that said XOXO. These puffy stickers are from LA Studio, and then looking ahead, throughout this spread, I have used my Ali Edwards chipboard. I didn't choose this one, but I've used my Ali Edwards chipboard. And then the So Awesome puffy stickers and Family Fun, those are the puffy stickers that I use. Okay, so moving along, I used my Mama Elephant, and this stamp is called Labeled Messages. I use it quite a bit, and I just stamped Happy Birthday in black. And then I used my Technique Tuesday die right here. I use this every month, at least on one of the spreads. It's fun. I got it from my girlfriend. So this here though, I don't know if you guys saw, but a while ago I posted how I struggle with using oval elements, and this whole January sheet was oval elements. And so what I did here, since there was a circle void for this die, it says New Year, New Goals on my birthday page. And what I did was I added one of my epoxy bubbles onto the chipboard and cut around it. And so you can see there's a small void on the side there, but it doesn't bother me whatsoever. So I also removed a couple layers of the chipboard behind my chipboard elements, just so there's not as much dimension in my book. So here, the So Happy Puffy sticker, the 45 and the star, all from Ellie Studio. Love Life, There's Always Something to Love, that's from Ali Edwards. This Making Memories, that's from Freckled Fawn. It's one of the chipboard pieces. This is just a photo I captured of us doing a road trip to Chicago on a Project Life card. What I will say is sometimes it bothers me when the readability isn't great on a piece of chipboard, or any piece of ephemera for that matter, because this does say Making Memories, but I can only see it. You probably can't even read it, so that kind of bugs me. Anyway, why they use white. And then I stamped You're the Best, and that's actually from an old Simon Says stamp. It's called What's Brewing. It's just a coffee stamp I bought years ago, and I just stamped it here in black onyx VersaFine ink. And this was my birthday dinner, deep dish pizza. We're Friends Forever is a Project Life card. All the journaling that I've done throughout this every month, just like every other month, is with my typewriter. Never Forget is a chipboard heart, and that came from this February chipboard. And then onto the, oh, I don't think I did a once over on that. I apologize. I'm distracted from my puppy. Okay, so here's a once over. Okay, so We Have Fun is a puffy sticker from Ellie Studio. Time for Cocktails and Cheers. That's a fun word phrase sticker set from Tim Holtz. You're My Everything. That was from here. So Look at This is a Mambi sticker. It was an arrow, but I cut it apart. We got a puppy for my birthday, so my girlfriend gave me some paw print, all sorts of puppy related ribbon. So I used it here. I stamped Woof on white cardstock and cut it out. And that was that. This is from my Ali Edwards Stamp of the Month, or kit. And so it just says New Year, New Moments, New Possibilities, New Stories, New Lessons, New Challenges, New Memories, Bring It On. And this signifies, obviously, January, a new year. But also, I thought it was very significant for us bringing home a new puppy. So You Stole My Heart is from LA Studio. So In Love, that's from Maggie Holmes. It's just a gold sticker. The story of now, I did in fact use a oval shape here from this one. I cut some of it off, stapled it, used more of those snowflake stickers, and used some alphabet letter tile stickers. Did Snow Day. Enjoy Today is from Jelly Bean Soup, just one of their label stickers. I just marked here with my typewriter, just the Globetrotters, and here from Stampin' Up! Are some silver clear stickers that are snowflakes. So I live in the Midwest here in Michigan, and we had significant crazy weather in January and into February, so my kids haven't been to school much. We got to experience the polar vortex firsthand, so we were without power for almost a week. So yeah, it's been eventful. So yeah, that's it, you guys. These are the pictures that made it into my Project Live. Of course I had more, but this is what I chose. All right, thank you so much for watching. You can find the links to my Instagram and Facebook page in the description box below. And if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more. Bye, guys.